Happy last day of civics, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. And today we're just going to be wrapping up the course. There's basically two things, although one of them is optional. You won't see an actual assignment today. What you will see is a post for a quick survey on forms, which please, I'll give you 5 points if you do it. Really simple, 3 questions, just asking you about your experiences in civics. One about the class specifically. There's two others about distance learning. Again, it's just something that I might use for future as far as how I change teaching the course if I do teach civics again. So if you could fill that out, again, I'd really appreciate it, and I will throw you 5 points in if that your way if you actually complete that. The second element of it is we really were supposed to do some sort of assignment today, and I'm not going to ask you to actually submit anything. But if you are interested, I'll be holding a Zoom meeting this afternoon at 2, and I'll put the information with this post as well. We'll talk about, current events, more of what's going on, looking at government responses to COVID-19, as well as some other hot topics in just in the news, between all the protests and rioting, as far as police treatment of people of color. And we can talk about that stuff and just have a discussion. It would certainly be nice to see your faces, but it's not a mandatory. Oops, sorry about that. It's a little bit windy today. It's not a mandatory assignment, so you don't have to attend, but it is there for you if you'd like to join in, see some other faces, and just kind of celebrate civics a little bit. And the end of, I should say. So that's the two things. The quick survey, which you should do, you'll get points for. And then the other aspect is the optional Zoom meeting to discuss current events and, what you guys think about that. So everything else is pretty much the same. You do have additional time to get in late work. I think I tried to reach out to everybody on Friday as far as, hey, this is what you need to accomplish in order to pass if you're in that case. Otherwise, everything else is as up to date. That's just something I want to really emphasize here because I've been having a lot of people who are submitting work and then just not telling me about it. But check PowerSchool, even if you think you've turned, no, that was a cat, I apologize. Even if you think you've turned everything in, please just check it over, make sure it's right. If something doesn't look right, reach out to me. I'm human. It's crazy right now. I'm happy to fix if I've made a mistake or if I did not realize you turned in a late assignment to actually take a look at it and make sure that PowerSchool has it up to date. I've been trying to check and update grades every single day. So if there's a 0 there, it's because I don't have access to or just don't know that you've turned something in. So again, just check that out and get back to me if you find any mistakes or anything like that. I will also hold a Zoom meeting on Friday at 10:30 like usual. If you need me, I'm there. And certainly if you have any other questions, you can continue to reach out to me. I've been pretty good with email. Weekends are kind of slow, but during the week I do check every, couple hours and everything. So I hope everybody's great. If you have questions, reach out to me, and congratulations, guys. You did it. We're basically there. And I know juniors, if you are taking this class right now, I'm not going to assign you extended work because, juniors are supposed to work through Wednesday. That's not going to happen with this class. So today, truly, regardless of what grade you are, will be our last day. All right. Bye, guys.